NocoDB is an open-source, no-code database platform that transforms your relational databases into smart, collaborative spreadsheets. It allows you to connect to existing databases like MySQL, PostgreSQL, or SQLite and instantly create beautiful interfaces to manage and visualize your data, all without writing a single line of code. NocoDB makes it easy to build internal tools or manage business workflows effortlessly. Let's get started. First, head over to launch.knife.io and log into your account. If you're new to Knife, you can quickly sign up. Look at the sidebar on the left. Find and click on Open Hub. This is where you can explore and deploy various applications. Here, search for NocoDB. Now, hover over it and click on Deploy. Deploying this application will usually take approximately 30 seconds, so sit back and relax while your app is being set up. The deployment was successful. Now, wait for about a few seconds for the DNS to resolve. Now, click on Open App. Here, first you'll need to create a super admin account. You'll need to type your email ID and a new password. Click on Sign Up. Here, it's asking a few setup questions. You can either skip this step or quickly finish the setup process. That's it. Your NocoDB setup is now complete. In the description below, you'll find the official documentation link to help you explore how to use NocoDB, create tables, and connect your databases. Start building powerful no-code database solutions with the ease of spreadsheets, and bring your data to life effortlessly.